Welcome back to Touch to Click. In this video I'll show you how to capture multiple screenshots in Windows 11 quickly and easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Snipping Tool by clicking the Start button and typing Snipping Tool. This built-in app lets you take screenshots without installing anything extra. Step 2. Click the three dots in the top right corner. This opens the menu where you can access more options. Step 3. Click Settings to open the configuration panel for the Snipping Tool. Step 4. Turn on the Multiple Windows option. This allows you to open several snips at the same time without overwriting previous ones. Step 5. Create a new snip as usual by selecting the area of the screen you want to capture. Step 6. Open Snipping Tool again to create another snip in a separate window, so you can continue capturing more screenshots. Step 7. Repeat the process to take multiple snips without saving each one immediately. This speeds up your workflow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.